Well, everyone, as most of you have seen, iOS 18.4.1 just ended up coming out. And what was very interesting was that this was a bug fix update, so to speak. This was not a massive size update. It didn't really bring anything insane to the table. All it did was bring a specific bug fix, which was for CarPlay. Now, fast forward to this particular situation that we're in within the next version of iOS 18, which we could end up seeing. It's either going to be iOS 18.5 or it's going to be iOS 18.4.2. Now, I do think this is a perfect time for Apple to start reintroducing these, security updates that are more so than just big feature updates. We've seen a trend from Apple where they're basically going through and they basically keep going through and they keep releasing these big updates like the, point X updates, the 18.2, 18.3, 18.1. They keep dropping these updates when in reality, I feel like we probably need some more basic security fixes. So when I look at the next update and an update after that, I do feel like there's a situation where Apple needs to kind of go through and they really need to start fixing these issues that we're having inside of our iPhone. Now, when we get to iOS 18.5, they're releasing betas, they're releasing all of these things, but they've been only releasing one update a month. So the release of, iOS 18.4, they'll release a, security update like this, then they'll give it another couple weeks and then release the iOS 18.5. But I feel like there are so many issues within iOS 18. Apple should go through and they should keep releasing updates in between when these phones are coming out. I really don't see how Apple can still go through and kind of release and keep making these updates if they're still causing these types of problems. So that's kind of the main issue that we're into right now. And personally for me, I really don't think that's the best idea for Apple to do. And because so many people are complaining about iOS 18, I've noticed that within iOS 18, there's a lot less updates than previous versions of softwares. Before, Apple would release updates all the time. Now they're releasing updates so seldomly, it kind of makes you wonder why Apple's even doing that. Why are they not just going through and pushing out big updates, or even why are they only releasing big updates and not more security updates? So I'd love to hear your thoughts about this. Let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.